In the lead up of the release of the PlayStation 5's new official console and PS5 controller covers, which are set to be released in January 2022, well, we've been focusing some of our latest videos on a few PS5 aftermarket products. For example, the brand new full stealth matte black faceplate, and many more PlayStation accessories which we have recently acquired, and you can check out for yourselves with some of the links in the video description down below. But today, we have this nice little clip-on PlayStation 5 controller faceplate. Now these faceplates are fairly straightforward to attach. They do come in 11 different colours and patterns, with this one today being blue camouflage and retails as low as £10. That's around 13 in US dollars. Within the simplified package, we are provided with a little yellow guitar pick, which will help you remove that initial official PlayStation faceplate. And well, to fit the aftermarket one, fitment of the faceplate is very simple to do. First, we're going to have to start with the left and right corners of the controller. Insert the guitar pick between the black plastic and the white hardshell body of the controller, and at the same time, apply some pulling pressure with your thumb pressed firmly on that black plastic corner. Go ahead and unclip it, but don't fully try to pull it off just yet. You will first need to repeat this process on the opposite side of the controller handle. Again, unclipping that black plastic, leaving it ajar. You will then gently work your way up the plastic plate, unclipping and loosening the faceplate, allowing you to pull it up and take it off over those DualSense joysticks. Now to insert the new faceplate, we are going to slide it over the joysticks, and at the same time keep it at a downward angle, making sure that the two front pointed corners are inserted first, both at the same time, just like so, and firmly we're going to apply some gentle pressure. Just simply press it down, moving from the centre of the faceplate and manoeuvring our fingers down the left and right sides, having all the clips clip into place, and well, it's as simple as that really. Now it's fitted, we now have a newly, freshly transformed PS5 controller. It looks very personalised, and actually looks quite ideal when you want to play, Call of Duty or something like that. So now this controller has a nice bold look. The fitment, I must say, is quite precise, and yet the non-toxic ABS plastic lines up perfectly, and it is indeed specifically designed for the first version of the PS5 controllers. Now again, if you want to check this product out for yourself, I have left a link in the video description down below. If you like what you've seen in this video, why not go ahead, check it out for yourself and go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video today, keeping in mind to support us by subscribing to this channel and clicking that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now as I've mentioned, there's loads of PS5 accessories going to be reviewed on this channel, so stay tuned for them. And also I hope you all stay safe, have a good Christmas, and thank you very much for watching. Peace!